Hey guys, welcome to Obiter Cars Workshop. How's everyone doing tonight? Anyway, finally got this project done, working on this Massey Ferguson 2680 big farm tractor. Well, I added a couple things to it, a front end loader and another attachment on the back. So the kit was a bit of a pain in the ass to put together. Heller kits are always never perfect. You know, I had some problems with the cab and this and that, but of course I added this loader on, so it didn't help matters. So, but the hoses are all in there, done farmer style, and yeah. So we got the forks on there, spear. Kind of made it so a tractor would have been used on the farm for hauling hay bales. Tell you a little story. I used to help out an old friend of mine do a lot of hay work. Used to feed cows and so forth. He used to use a tractor for unloading trucks and loading trucks and stacking hay bales and all sorts of stuff. So I'm very familiar with the cattle business and you know, and unloading hay. I did a lot of that. So the spear, the forks turned out pretty good, and the back of it. Oh shit! See what I mean? Stupid thing. But anyways, I guess now I could probably show you the inside of the tractor. The thing came off. But anyway, coming out of the cold or something. So this part of attachment here, anybody who's been around hay or cattle all their lives, most of their lives, they might know what this is. Well, that is an attachment for rolling out hay bales out in the pasture. So these things are hydraulic, so they come apart, these little arms go out, you pick up the hay bale and you lift it up and you take it out in the pasture, and then you put the bale down, roll it out, and then you get a little layer of hay that goes on the ground for the cows or horses or pigs or whatever you're feeding. So that's what this is. So I use this many times in real life. So anyways, the end of the cab came off the tractor. I can show you guys what it looks like inside. Yep, nothing crazy. Added some levers for the loader and the controller for the shifter, which would have been down there. If you can see it or not. See if I can turn this baby around. Here's a controller, the high-low range. That's how they would have been. High over here, low range over there, and 3-point hitch levers. You have the one down there, one over here. So anyway. Yep. So anyway, there it is. It's done. Out of my hair. The other one's for the shelf. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't get as much footage as I wanted on this tractor, but it's just the way it is. Technology sucks sometimes. Alright. See ya. And stay tuned for other projects coming up soon. Alright, guys. If I don't talk to you again before Christmas, Merry Christmas to all. And Happy New Year. See ya.